Hey hot dogs! Today I have this thing to open because of that. Oh, it's rare! Oops. I just got a rare pilgrim hat. No, he dressed up for pilgrim for Halloween. Pilgrim. Yeah, pilgrim hat. Do you want a chicken feet bucket? Please come to me. No chicken feet bucket here. Gonna have to use my boots. Yep. Use my boots. My boots. Yep. Use my boots. Hi, Jayberry. Rainbow top hat. Oh. This is not very rare, but top hat time. Oh my gosh, I love her. You the best. Where are you, Jayberry? Send you a jamagram. You the no, seriously. I wanted to do you the best, but it was ruined it. I want to send her rare, but then I'll lose a rare. And you know how that will go. Oh, someone just got on? Baby goes. Yes. I'll be less lonely. Leave it to me. Nope, I think I'll just do it. I'll just do it myself. Who else got on? Pinky or Candy? Oh my gosh, I come on Animal Jam at my YouTube channel, and then they all just come and start pouring in. Love. Ooh. Take a picture of this. Click. Done. Oh, he's got Phantom Head. I've got 2 top hats now. Today's just a very lucky day for me. Someone sent me a thing with a gift. Jayberry sent me a gift of a rainbow top hat. And I got a rare pilgrim hat today and the daily spin. Wow, AJ likes me now. Oh, and by the way, guys, Kawaii Lemur, or I'm gonna name an animal, a whole complete mix of all of them. Like it would be Twinkle for Twinkle0122, Kawaii for Ipari, and then I'm gonna have Bean for Julian too. Needs Minna's cat. Here. Who's gonna do this? This is gonna be epic. Big scary. Oh, this is gonna be epic, man. This is just epic. Look at her panicked look. Such a panicked look. I just gotta do it. LOL. I'm not old. Oh, that's right. I forgot. I was gonna have a party. I'm gonna do the party today. Part of my party series. Maybe a party series. Oh my gosh, did I just get hacked or something? Or did I accidentally trash my den? Because my den was sweet. Very sweet. Well, I'll do my party in the next episode. But for now, I need to stash all my betas in up here. So nobody's like, look, she's beta. We need to steal her stuff and rid her of her rares. Nope, hide them up in the attic. The place for rares and betas. I feel like I want some more betas though. Hey, here's a trick if you want more betas. Just saying. It's not like any scheme or anything, like I'm evil. Evil's not my thing. Nope. You may see me hit my sister once in a while. Maybe hack her a few times. But I ain't evil as in schemalicious. That's something I never thought I'd ever say. Where are my sunglasses? Did someone? No, no. Please tell me nobody's still. Wait, buddies, babe. No. Did someone scam me? But she scammed me. I don't think I sent her a thing though. She must have scammed me. Because I'm not finding my glasses. Where the heck are my sunglasses? My sunglasses are missing. What? You guys know, look. Let's see, I can't click anymore. Look, where's my goat? Look. My goat had its own look. Okay, I'm starting to get a little freaked out here, guys. I swear, my goat had its own look. Did someone scammed me, guys? Somebody scammed me. Somebody scammed me out of my sunglasses. Now I'm not gonna look kawaii enough to be me a party. Yeah. Sad times in Animal Jam. Sad times. I'm gonna have to tell AJHQ on that. No idea why someone scammed me. I mean, does someone actually watch these videos? If you do, I'm watching you. Oh my gosh, it looks perfect. What? Perfect! It's absolutely perfect. Yeah, I'm going to have to tell AJHQ about that. But first, before I tell AJHQ, you're going to need to subscribe to me, not scam me, and like this video. Bye-bye, hot dog!